Absolutely, thanks. So what we're showing here are 6 of our standard double siding offerings. Half-inch material over here and 5/8 over here.
Okay.
Up in New England, this is a popular dimension that we see all the time, 4-inch reveal, 1/2x6 overall. What we really like about this product is long length.
Yep.
In addition to long lengths, none of our product needs to be edge sealed.
Yep.
So when you're installing this product, you simply butt it tightly
Yep.
in the field. No gapping is required. It can be blind nailed. The only place that you need a fastener is where the 2 boards come together,
Okay.
right here. But other than that, a typical wood installation. Wherever you're cutting out around windows, though,
Yeah.
absolutely no need to seal that area. And that's one of the things
And
that
you were
makes
showing
us so
me
much
the,
different.
the water. You don't care about
Yeah,
sealing
absolutely.
because
Absolutely, yes. This product is impervious to water, and
Okay.
because of that, we're not concerned about water even getting to the core of the material.
Okay.
Again, a lot different than what most people are,
Yep.
familiar
Used to,
with
yeah.
respect to fiber cements and woods and such.
and the lengths are what? You said
All
no.
16 foot.
Okay.
So extremely low waste factor as a result of 16 footers.
Yeah.
And 16 foot compared to a 12 foot product, you're going to have about 30% fewer joints.
Okay.
People looking for a little bit more exposure, our standard 1/2x8 would give you a 6-inch exposure.
Yeah.
Again, really nice shadow lines, but if you're looking for something a little bit deeper than that, we have a beaded product at 5/8. And a non-beaded product at 5/8, either 6-inch, 7-inch, or 8-inch exposure.
I see.
7 inches out there as an offering right now because there's another fiber cement manufacturer that went off the market, had something similar to this.
Yeah.
Specification called for 7-inch. You can get that from us as well.
And you're milling these with a CNC or something? Or,
This gets milled with a traditional molder application.
I see. And it has a texture.
It has a ever so slight grain texture to it that we really like a lot because it simulates wood just so well. For somebody looking for a heavier texture, we do offer it in a wood grain.
Okay, good.
So if someone's familiar with the Boral trim boards, this wood grain is what you'd see on the one side or the back side of the product, and the front face of the product is our smooth product.
Okay. And then the other product you showed me a couple minutes ago.
Yeah, this is something that's brand new. We're very excited about. Essentially, we take our beveled siding product and we simulate even butt shakes with it.
I see.
So what we're doing with this product is providing it in a 4-foot panel
Yeah.
that's relatively lightweight, easy to handle, especially if you're going up and down a ladder or anything like that. And the panels simply butt together tightly, and when you do so, you can see how it's very difficult to tell where one panel starts and the next one begins. This is all about speed of installation. This goes up the same exact way as the bevel siding,
Yep.
in that you're going to just blind nail it across the top, attempting to hit your studs where you can. Another nice feature of this product is that you can control the amount of reveal. So if you're looking for, a 4-inch reveal or 5-inch reveal, whatever you might have up to a 6-inch reveal, so that your lines work out for your sills and your heads of your windows, you can control all that with this product.
Nice.
And then paint it any color that you want with regular latex paint, no special paints required. And again, really important that there are no restrictions here in terms of where it can be used, down to grade, down to finished patio, or simply, cut this and put it up against a roof line in a dormer application.
Okay. And it's like a and B pattern, or describe the pattern a little.
Yeah, there's 2 basic panels, and the way it works is there's an A and a B, as you mentioned. A's go on one course, the next course up will be a B, the next course up will be an A with a different starting point, and then you continue with your A panel. So it's very simple, easy to use, and you'll never have an issue where the keyways come together with less than 1.5 inches difference. So it's going to look very, very authentic.
All right.
Obviously, that's what we're going to do.
Well, thanks, Keith.
All right,
Great
thank
stuff.
you. Pleasure.